So what I've done, using these tools here, that's my brush sweep where I swept the lawn, that's my rotary where I've turned the soil over, and what I have in here is an edge cutter which I used for cutting the grass edge out. Now what I didn't want to do was go straight, so I've gone kind of curved, but I'm just gone with the flow. I'm going to get Tyler in a minute just to film me finishing the edges off, defining them, and on my next video I'm just going to do this little bit here, a continuation, to show you what I did, because I'm not mastering this video like, so all should be good, and it'll look smart, I think. Yeah, so just one more little ad before I get Tyler to film me. Yeah, she weren't too happy with that, so here Tyler, if you can get me filmed. Right.
Go on.
Yeah, so what I've got here is the kombi system, stihl 1RM 131R, with the edge trimmer attachment. So what I'm going to do, already started, just go down this line here, make myself clear that I'm not tipping over. So if you just want to get me here, Tyler, if you're coming there, then you can watch me going back. So basically, choke on, prime. Tyler. So what I'll be doing, I'll be starting off with this next time, basically just coming down,
Done,
basically that's it. So looking good. Cheers for watching.